So here we're going to show you how to go about adding a hype chain that we designed previously and add it to this Cuban link hype chain. So I downloaded this off of MakerWorld. So let's go ahead and look at that real quick. So this is the designer of this model, and this is, I will add a link to this exact model in the video description, so you can find it. But so this is the blank model. Now he does have the single color version and the multicolor version. Okay, so it has both. If for some reason we wanted this class to be a different color, we could make it a different color. So if we want the chain to be a different color, you could literally change every single link to be a different color if you really wanted to. So you've got some options there. But what we want to do is we want to take a hype chain that we already created and add it to this. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to go ahead and hit Control I and then import the hype chain in question, which should be sitting on my desktop here. And let's see here. Nope, I don't see it. So let's just go ahead and search for it. It's called Spidey. I remember that. There's Spidey hype. Okay. And what we want to do is we want to import the geometry. Yes. Okay. So let's go ahead and move this over here. And what we're going to do firstly is we're going to delete some of the stuff that we don't need. So we don't need, let's see here. We don't need any of this. So we'll go ahead and get rid of that. Boop. Okay. And then what else do we need? We don't need that. So we'll go ahead and get rid of that. That was the piece for the original hype chain. So I don't think we need any of those. We'll get rid of that. And so that just leaves this. Okay, so we'll go ahead and slide that over here. So that is an assembly, and what we're going to do is we're going to add that to the existing assembly. So we'll add, and that is the Cuban assembly now. So let's go ahead and we'll right click and we'll choose merge. Okay, so now that's all been merged as one. So there's our purge tower apparently. So no worries there. So what we're going to do here on the main logo, we want to change that color to, let's do black, I guess. And then the back plate, let's go ahead and make it red. And then all we're going to do here, because this is already set up as an assembly, we are going to right click those two pieces and we are going to center them to our build plate. Okay, so now those two pieces are centered to the build plate. So what we could do here is we'll move our prime tower here so it's out of the way. So then, well, again, we're going to come back in here on the back plate and main logo, and we're going to hit move, and we're just going to put this inside like that. Okay, so that will now be connected to our Cuban chain, and we can slide it up as much as we want, but that will be good to go there. So now we can go ahead and print this. If we wanted to make this slightly bigger, we certainly have the room to do it, but that is how we would add our pre-existing hype chain to our Cuban chain model. Okay, and because everything is an assembly, that will all work out just fine. So that's it. Very, very simple process, but it does work slightly differently than the traditional hype chain. So until next time, thanks for watching.